to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Revell. Here's another one that's on my workbench. It's the 70 Torino Cobra from Revell. You saw it in my video on bare metal foiling. I figured I would show off where I'm at with the kit. Like many of you guys, I seem to always be working on something. I usually have 8 to 10 kits in various stages and many more started. I've been last few years focusing on finishing kits that I had started. So in the last few years I've narrowed that pile down quite a bit. But here's one of them that goes along with it. The main push is, I'm also doing a Revell 69 Boss 302, and both of them are this color. Technically it's Calypso Coral on the Boss 302, and it's Vermilion on this car, even though it's the exact same paint. But the sales literature was a little bit different. But this one, and then the only real deviation is some of the decals, these black decals on the side and the Twister Special decals. Those are from Fred Cady. Nothing really different on the kit other than that. Just making that particular issue, and it came in this color only, so that's why it's this orange color, which is, I'm having trouble filming. It always throws my white balance off. But it's a real pleasure to build. This one's not quite completely out of the box. But here's the chassis, pretty much finished here. And then the 429 Super Cobra jet engine. So this one's getting pretty much done. And the wheels and tires. I still put the white letters on these, but haven't gotten there yet. And then the interior. That is the one deviation with this kit that I changed. Or it's one of two. These bucket seats are actually from the Torino GT kit, not the Cobra kit. The Cobra kit comes with low backs with headrests. And for this particular build, I just swapped them since I have a number of these kits and I use the parts for a couple others. So I swapped out the buckets. And gauges are actually decals. There's a number of decals on this kit. But this interior is done. And then the body is done. It'll be real close to final assembly here on this particular one. But I was just giving you guys a quick update on it. Another thing I did grab was the front spoiler that goes under the front end. This is in the GT kit. I don't believe it's in this Torino kit. And I also got the window slats, which is in this kit. I just haven't decided if I'm going to use them on this one. I did use these on my Grabber Green one that I featured just recently. So you guys have seen that one. But this one's almost done. I'll get it final assembly here, and you'll probably see the finished result here real soon. But this one's done, and I got a few others in my stash too, but I will show them to you coming up in other episodes. But I just wanted to show you this one as it's almost done. So I knock some pieces around here. Still getting used to filming and showing you guys, so inside's all blacked out. And the hood's just in place. But that's pretty much all ready. Just cut the knobs off as I was having difficulty sliding the hood on and off, so just cut those off, and I'll black out those. And the underside of the hood, I can't remember if this one, the underside of the hood is body color or blacked out. Top of the hood is pretty much blacked out. As you can see in this photo, I actually put the decal under the clear, the wraparound decal, and then once that was clear coated, I masked it off just on the inside and sprayed the semi-gloss black on top of the decals. Find that technique works out really good for me. There, you can see it in the shine right there. And gives it a pretty nice appearance, even though part of the decal is glossy and the rest of it's black. But I do as much of the blackout as possible with the paint. Little insider tip, a little bit of dust on here, but like I said, it's been on and off my bench. Really excited about getting this one almost done. It's pretty much done now, other than final assembly and a few other detailed painted pieces. Got to paint the grill and detail out the taillights and a few other things. But thank you for tuning in, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more of these builds coming, and builds I have built that'll be featured as well. Thank you.